Ready to unlock even more gaming adventures on your PS4 without breaking the bank? Hey gamers, ever wondered if you could use that American Express gift card burning a hole in your wallet to snag the latest games or that PlayStation Plus subscription you've been eyeing? Well, you absolutely can. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an American Express gift card to your PS4 account, step by step. First, power on your PS4 and navigate to the settings menu. You'll find it on the main home screen. Usually at the far right it looks like a toolbox icon. Use your controller to select it and press the X button. Scroll down within the settings menu until you find account management highlighted and press X again. In the account management menu, select account information. This will take you to your account overview. Next, find wallet within the account information options and select it. You might need to enter your password here for security. Inside the wallet, you'll see a few options. Look for add funds and select it. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of a credit card, select redeem PlayStation Network card or code. This option works perfectly for most gift cards, including American Express. You'll be prompted to enter the 15-digit code from the back of your American Express gift card. Carefully scratch off the protective layer if necessary and enter the code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you've entered the code, select redeem. If the code is valid, the funds from your MX gift card will be added to your PlayStation Network wallet. You'll see your updated balance displayed on the screen. Congratulations! Now you can head over to the PlayStation Store and use your newfound funds to purchase games, add-ons, PlayStation Plus, or anything else your gamer heart desires. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new gaming content and be sure to subscribe for more PS4 tips and tricks.